Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be taking you through how to make this nice and sweetest pancake, guys, using this few recipe. In here is my 1 cup of flour, guys, and here is my, I'll be using baking powder. If you want, you can use it. If you don't like it, you can leave it. And here is my milk. In here is my vanilla excess. Abi excess, Abi waiting. Here is my sugar, guys, and in here is my salt. I'm using it with my egg, guys. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll be mixing all the dry ingredients together. I'll be using a 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In here is my salt, guys. And here is my vanilla essence. I don't know if I pronounced it well, guys. Sorry. I'll be using a I made a mistake. I'm supposed to put this vanilla essence for my milk. Oh god, don't do like me. I made a mistake just now. Then in here is our sugar, guys. Mix everything. I'm supposed to add in the vanilla essence while mixing the egg. Mix everything together and set it aside. I'll be adding in a little sugar again because of I love sweet things. I want my pancake to come out so sweet. If you don't if you want to add honey, you can add it. Honey is healthy, it's good, natural sugar. So guys, after mixing it, let's break our egg. Then we turn it, mix it very well. Don't make a mistake like me. I added my vanilla essence here on my flour. I'm supposed to add it in my while mixing the egg. So guys, after that, after mixing the egg, you add in your milk, guys. Mix it very well. I hope you are seeing it. Yes, you can see what we have here. Then you add in your milk inside your flour. You raise this with water because we still have some little. Yeah, you mix it, guys. Add in a little water, guys. Be adding in water, guys, so that we'll get what we want. Some people normally add this thing, pepper, while making their pancake. You can add it, it always come out well. It just depends on your own choice and taste, how you want your pancake. You can add in pepper, fresh pepper on your own. I will not be adding pepper on my own, guys. Mix it very well, mix it thoroughly so that everything will come out good and fluffy. Guys, I have to remove all my milk here because hey, you're not leaving anything behind. Make sure that you mix your pancake very well. While mixing it, I'll be adding in another one ingredient. Another one. I will be adding in a little of my vegetable oil, guys. The reason why I'm adding vegetable oil is because I don't have butter, so I'll be adding in a little vegetable oil to mix it. Guys, you can see what we have here. You can see what we have, well mixed. Yeah. So the next step is for us to go and preheat our pan. So guys, here is my pan. We'll be greasing it with a little oil. If you have butter, you can use butter on your own. We'll be using a little oil to grease it. You can see that. After greasing it, you add in your pancake. You have to lower your gas so that the thing will not get burnt. Make it in a medium heat. I will be testing it with this small one to know what I got. Immediately you see that your pancake is bubbling up, that is the time that you will turn it, guys. You can see that already. So you turn it. You can see it. This is my first my first start. You can see that this one is ready. You can see it. And you set it aside. Add in another one, guys. I want it to come out well. We'll be adding it a little by little. Make sure to grease your pan so that your pancake will not burn. Like that. Immediately the thing starts bubbling up, you can see it, guys. That is the time that you're going to turn it. You can see this. You can see it. So guys, oh god, I don't even have this thing to use to with this. Then you turn it. So guys, you can see it. Guys, continue to do it like that until you finish your pancake that you made. So immediately you see the thing bubbling up, you turn it. The reason why I'm doing it like this is because I'm not using a big spoon. You turn it, guys. You can see the pancake did not burn. Come, don't go there, I'll beat you. Give me the spoon and go. Go now, Shay, we want to go and play. Here. So guys, you continue to do it like that until you finish making your pancake. You can see this one. It's come out so good and fine. Make sure to lower your gas so that your pancake will not burn. If you say I have this big spoon, I will just use it and turn this thing. It always makes my pancake to splash. Ah, let's see. Oh God. God help me. God help me. Oh, I am a cheesy. This pancake, who are you? Oh, guys, you turn it. You must get to the final bus stop of this pancake today. You can see it. It looks so good. That's so delicious, guys. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime we post a new video. Like, comment and share my video, guys. That is the only way to support your gear. Support my hustling. Support me, oh. Just make it in a medium heat, as this one looks so lovely. It looks so great. Oh. If today is your first time of seeing my video, thank you so much once again. You're highly welcome to Dora Kitchen. In here we share with you lovely homemade recipe that you will love to try, that it will look so good, it's healthy. It will come out so good. Make sure to use this recipe and get the perfect pancake that you want. Don't forget to share my video, guys. It just take a few to 2 minutes for your pancake to be ready. It don't even take long. This is the last one on the list. God of Israel. You can see it, guys. It's already started bubbling up. You turn it. So guys, this is the final stage. You can see it. Guys, you can see what we have here. It come out so good and it looks so lovely. You can top it up with your honey. I'll be getting my honey now, guys. Guys, here is our final result of our pancake. Guys, you can top your own up with your honey, guys. I'll be using this natural honey for my own pancake. This is original natural honey, guys, not all those ones that add sugar on it. If you don't want, you can leave it like that. Just mix it with your honey, it's fine.